Hello, my name is Kay Hensler and welcome to my GVRIT portfolio website. This is my introduction video, just basically telling you about the pieces I've chosen and why I chose them and how they show what I learned in the class. I put them in specific order, just basically the order we did them in. I did Burger, my Burger piece, my piece about Bart, and then my piece about Burger plus Bart, combining the two essays together. I worked on point of view in all three essays, trying to develop and realize I need to write towards an audience specifically, and the purpose of my essay, like what I want to say to the audience and why, what the project is, like overall, how I want to present it, and another why I would do that, and the occasion is just why I'm doing this in general and what's prompting me to do it. And then that's something I learned really to develop with my piece. That's something you have to use with every paper, and I've never thought of it that way before, and it helps once you've nailed that down to have a direction for your paper so you're not just blindly writing. These readings were a little more difficult than other readings I've done. They're very out of the box and different. We started with Burger, which was quite different, and he had some interesting ideas about stuff, so we tried to write, and then on that essay we specifically concentrating on working on editing our ideas as opposed to our specific grammar and such. Then as we went further and further with Bart's and then Burger plus Bart, and we did Again Evans, but I didn't include that, we worked more on mechanics and proper grammar usage, MLA format. We did citings in all of our pieces, which was important, and we started working on specifically straying away from passive voice and keeping that under just being assertive with what we're trying to say. Revising with Burger, we went from editing ideas, then we kept editing ideas in other papers and also thinking about mechanics. With Burger, I actually wrote a first essay, and then my second essay was a completely different paper, and then I combined them, which worked really well to lengthen my paper and add new ideas from a different perspective after rereading the passage again. And I did that with some of my other essays as well that I thought needed it. These texts were very original, but they all had to do with photography and images, which was cool to work with words and images, as our textbook was about, because I've never specifically had to write about images, and that's just something I've never had to do before. It was a great learning experience, and it was fun. And now I find myself, looking at pictures in different ways and analyzing them and trying to explain to my friends punctum and studium and fun stuff like that. So that's basically my essay. Burger, editing ideas, which goes to Bart, which is editing ideas and more mechanics and working on things, and deciding on direction. That's where we really started focusing on our project, purpose, occasion, and audience. And then with my combination of Burger and Bart, it was making connections between the two different essays, but combining it in a positive way to make one big idea, and why was this important, and how are we best going to show it. That's what this is all about, and I hope you enjoy.